If you are looking for buying the best pre-built gaming PC in 2023 and your budget is around $800 to up to $1300, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best pre-built gaming PC which you can directly buy from Amazon right now. Let's get started. Now at number 5 we have the cheapest one. This one is a HP Victus 15L. It costs around $804. Now with that price you are going to get a 12th generation Core i3 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB NVMe SSD, and last but not least a GTX 1660 Super graphics card, and you are also going to get the reliability of HP. And with this PC you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings, so it's an excellent starting gaming PC. And at number 4 we have the Skytech Chronos mini gaming PC desktop. This one costs around $899. Now as you can see, it's an excellent looking pre-built PC. You will get a mesh front, you will get RGB everywhere, and you will also get a Ryzen 5 3600 processor. So you are going to get an Nvidia's RTX 3050, which is one of the latest RTX card of Nvidia. And with this graphics card you can basically play modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings, and you will get a 500GB NVMe SSD, 16GB RAM, 600W gold certified power supply, Windows 11 out of the box, a dedicated cooler, RGB everywhere. So it's an excellent deal in this price. Then at number 3 we have the Skytech Blaze gaming PC desktop. This one costs around $999. Now this pre-built gaming PC comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, which is a 6-core 12-thread processor and more than enough for gaming. And also it comes with an Nvidia's RTX 3060, which is excellent because with this graphics card you can play modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings, and also you can try games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings in many titles. So it's an excellent starting 1440p gaming PC. Then at number 2 we have this Skytech Blaze 3 gaming PC desktop. This one costs around $1099. Now this gaming PC has an excellent mesh front, so there will be better airflow, and as you can see there are RGBs everywhere, so you will get a gaming vibe. And also this PC comes with Intel Core i5-12400F and RTX 3060 graphics card, so it means you will be able to play games at 1080p ultra settings and 1440p medium settings, and you will get a 500GB SSD, 16GB RAM, 600W gold certified power supply, built-in Wi-Fi. Overall an excellent pre-built gaming PC. And finally we have this Skytech Shadow gaming PC desktop. This one costs around $1199. Now this is an excellent looking pre-built gaming PC. As you can see you will get 4 pre-installed RGB fan, a mesh front, so there will be excellent airflow, and you will get Intel Core i5-12400F, and this is an excellent gaming processor. You can even handle a $1000 graphics card for gaming with this processor. You will also get Nvidia's RTX 3060 Ti, which means you can play games at 1440p resolution with high settings. So this PC is a 1440p gaming pre-built, and also you will get 1TB NVMe SSD, 16GB RAM, 600W gold certified power supply, built-in Wi-Fi, and also Windows 11. So this is a perfect PC for $1200. And that's all for today. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.